To get started with Pygame, you need to install Pygame library into your system. Pygame requires Python, so make sure you have Python 3.7.7 or greater, because it is much more friendlier to beginners and it also runs faster than the previous versions. The best way to install Pygame into your computer is by using the pip tool. Python uses pip to install packages. Pip is installed automatically while installing Python. So, open your terminal and write the following code. Python 3 -m pip install -u pygame -user. We are using -user flag to tell pip to install Pygame in the home directory rather than installing it globally. Now to see if it works or not, write the following command. Python 3 -m pygame dot examples dot aliens. Now if something like this appears on your window, then you are ready to code. Now you can directly go on other tutorials. If the above method did not work, then you can try some alternative methods. First thing you need to know that Pygame requires a newer pip. If Pygame starts compiling from sources and fails, first try upgrading pip. And also make sure that you have Python added to your path. This means that Python and pip will work for you from the command line also. If the above information is satisfied, then you can run the following code in your command prompt. I hope it might work, but if an error occurs, like permission error, then try to run your command prompt with administrator privileges by right-clicking on the command prompt icon and click on Run as Administrator. For Mac installation, the recent version of Mac OS X requires Pygame 2. If the above method did not work for you, then maybe you are using the recent version of Mac OS X. Try running the following code in your terminal. If there is a problem, then maybe it's because of virtual env. For more details, find the link in the description. But it does work if you create a virtual environment in Python using python -m venv. However, instructions if you want to use a virtual environment, but before that there is a warning. Some people have trouble with the window losing the focus when inside a virtual environment. So run your following code at your own risk. So that's just needed for Mac if you use a virtual environment. If you are running Anaconda on Mac, then try using Python W instead of Python. If any error occurs, please read the Mac compile instructions link given in the description. Unix binary packages. Many Linux and BSD distributions have their own packages of Pygame. These may have an older version of Pygame than the wheels, but have been carefully tested with other packages in that distribution. Here are some following commands that you can run to install Pygame in your distribution. So that was it for this video. For further information, you can go to copyassignment.com. Thank you.